During maintenance shutdowns, rupture discs can need replacing. You must refit them quickly and correctly. But changing traditional three-piece disc and holder systems often leads to problems. Their design means that they contain inherent leak paths. It is easy to over-torque them, causing damage and further leaks. They can be located in hard-to-access or hazardous places, making installation even more challenging and needing specialist experience. Misaligned pipes add to the frustration, all because they have three parts. The ASECO safety cartridge unites both disc and holder in a new one-piece welded design, which is simpler to inspect, easier to fit, 75% quicker to install, and has reduced downtime due to overpressure events by 60%. It is hermetically sealed with a robust cartridge that cannot be over-torqued, no matter how hard you try. Changing rupture discs in hard-to-reach places is easier too, and it is not sensitive to misaligned piping or gasket materials. Already proven in the US with over 3,000 installations in more than 100 plants, this next-generation rupture disc is now available in the EEA. Choose the ASECO safety cartridge for a safer, cleaner plant.